I'll see you in a bit. Where are you? Yes. Oh.
It's a little crowded in here.
Always.
Always, okay. Shirts for $10.
Oh my. What church?
See, like, people get here.
Yeah, over there. Would you have some? I like it.
It might be a little bit small.
Excuse me?
Thank you.
No?
The meat one. Or if you want, I can hold it.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Andrew, I think it might be
Oh shit, that's great. That's yours? I
Yeah,
think it looks
right?
dope.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
got lucky with
Good
that.
eyes.
There's a couple more tour codes back there. They're hidden.
They don't have
These
my
ones?
size though.
What are these, small or medium?
No, XS.
Extra? Yeah.
this
they're
is
hard.
nice.
I got a Japanese one last year when I was here. The all black Japanese. It's their Japanese line tour coat.
That's
Favorite
crazy.
thing in the world. It's great.
How
It
much you
fits
pay with that? Like 50, 80?
20 bucks.
God damn.
I think this one's like, even this one's like 20 bucks. That's why I come every year.
Where the fuck you can find this for 20 bucks?
Only here.
My brother had them. Oh.
The load-in sample. The load like the.
Oh
load-in-
shit, this
yeah.
looks good.
Yeah, it's lined too. It's super nice.
The lining?
Yeah. Just has like a nice like silk lining on it. Yeah.
Usually it had quilting.
Yeah, I wish it would be better if it had quilting.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh,
I love the stripe, like the wabash, like that's. Even with the zipper, I love the cut with those. It's
yeah,
nice.
the cut is really
That
nice.
is really. That is. I didn't see the leather, the denim one. That's great.
Hold it like this. I'll go around.
Okay, I'm gonna.
ये वही है जो तुम्हारी ग्रीन वाली बस लेकिन ये क्या करेंगे
That looks nice.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Ness.
Nas?
Ness.
Ness.
N.Y.C, yeah.
Oh, nice. Fam.
Fam.
Yeah.
Nice
yeah.
to meet you, man.
Nice meeting you.
What, you Vietnamese?
Yeah, Vietnamese.
I'm Vietnamese too.
You know what I-
No, man. That was so...
Nói chuyện không biết không rồi. these are all these racks.
This one right here? This is mine. This is from here. This is my actual personal one. Yeah. Makes sense. You can get it at Grapefruits over in Montreal. Are you from the area?
That's good.
Long time.
What did you get? How are you? It's been a while.
1 year, right?
Yeah, exactly 1 year.
That's so funny.
Our friend, he was like, "Where's your brother?" He was like, "You looking for me?"
Yeah.
I know she was walked past me. I was like, where this sexy girl walk past me? Oh, hey, hold up,
I
girl.
didn't see you.
Wow,
I was,
I brought my
that was
mom
so
this year.
focused.
oh, your mom just here.
Yeah.
She's on this side. Say, "Hey, mom, he's our friend."
Nice to meet you.
That's it. That's all you. That's it.
That's our stuff.
Thank you.
No, this is our stuff. Yeah.
I'm a little bigger.
It's not so bad, huh?
Oh, it looks nice. Good quality too.
I like that one better than the first one.
You know, I'm making another round.
This one? This is one Yeah, I like this one.
Đấy, oh, cái này đẹp quá cái này. Look, this one we got it, 20 bucks.
20 bucks?
We have two other colors if you want.
Yeah, I do.
If you want to try them on. Wow, cái này really nice. Nó có only two. They have only two.
So another girl grabbed it.
I think this is okay.
You don't like that.
I look weak.
Like hang out and be like,
My girl like if you don't want it, give it to her. She wants.
I would like it for my daughter.
Tell her happy birthday. Early birthday. Look at this.
Oh,
M1, right?
Yeah.
Very easy. They have it over there. This is medium.
Yeah, I like this
All the
one a
smalls
lot.
were gone, right?
They only have medium.
That's it. That's all good.
I love this one. It have a lot of pocket. It's different too.
That's
you can
cool. I like that.
customize it.
Yeah.
The patch.
Put some patches on that bit.
Oh, cái này được á. Cái này được á Thái.
Honestly,
Oh, that look good.
honestly, you should get that. I'm not taking it. I'm just taking a look at it.
This
Okay.
one I would spend.
That's fine. No, it's cool.
Wow, cái này đẹp á.
Yeah.
Damn, that's 40 bucks for that bomber jacket.
This is hot. Instant hot.
Oh, cái này nhìn cool quá vậy nè.
Cái này bị weird.
Vì sao? The zipper is not in the center. It's like a leather jacket.
Cái này weird. Oh shit. Gotta have a lot of stuff to select.
Go ahead, turn around. Damn, that look. Oh, that's our stuff.
I know. Alright, next.
Oh, this was nice.
This is a real showing. See? Outside so
Giống như hôm qua, năm trước mày thử rồi đó.
This is not the same one. So big here. I'd rather buy the Acne Studio.
Big center.
We can grab it.
No, it doesn't look good.
Exactly. The fit is not right. Material is not right.
Oh, it's fire.
Well, modeling?
Nah, I'm just trying it out and see if it. Get it.
It's fire. Okay.
Yo, this is perfect fit, man.
It looks so
Manly
nice.
á, cái này. Material của nước
Oh,
đá.
it looks so nice. I thích. Damn. Ooh, the inside though.
No. This is fake shirt.
No, but still, nhìn nó đã hả?
One of the kind, man. One of the kind, man.
Oh, man.
Easy, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Cái này cái da này giống cái kiểu mà của tàu cop á, mấy năm trước á. They don't have this fur and that fur.
cái này là official one man. It's 1100. Cái này được.
Oh, type B.
Oh, đã. So nice.
36.
No, the other one is better. I like the other one better. Tao không thích cái color này của nó nè.
Yeah.
Cái sleeve của nó là not
Cái
good.
slip nó too puffy. Nó làm nó
Cái đó old school, that's why. Ow.
It's definitely outside my comfort.
Through, but
I need something like this. Not the VM. Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, you got it.
And it's one of our better, it's one of our most so maybe if you want
There's like nothing left there.
oh, yeah.
Not that these are practical.
X small right here.
Okay, too long for you.
Too long, right?
Yeah, the shoulder is already too much. Doesn't fit you. Thấy không, bên kia cũng có cái jacket của tao.
Gratitude that high. They sold out.
What about last year?
I'm
just gonna sell one.
Restaurant. Oh, hello, Donkey.